Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with another video, and today it's the first working day post Eid. Ramadan has ended, and you could see the beauty, the clouds. I mean, here in Dubai, for us it's a very rare sight to have this kind of clouds and everything. But now, with the change in weather, and overall globally the weather has changed a bit, so because of that you could just see how pretty the weather looks, and it's all cloudy. There I can show you maybe a bit of a zoom. We have Dubai Marina Mall, and further I have Dubai Marina in front of me, and the high skyscrapers all around. And then, you know, I'll just take this part, and then I have the metro station in front of me. It's the road. I can just zoom it for you guys. Here is the one that is leading you to JBR, and it's been more than a month, or maybe more than that, that I am vlogging in this area for you guys. Because you know, the energy levels were quite depleted in Ramadan, because we were fasting, and then the focus is more on praying and all. So now I'm back with my energy and with making much more content for you guys. And do you see the weather? So basically the weather has a lot of positive impact on your mind, believe you me. So do you see the beauty and the epicness? I mean, the clouds, because we don't see these clouds much in the desert, so that's why for us it's a whole new thing, and it's a different vibe that we have. So we were really happy today for coming to work as well, because the weather is good, and it's mid of April. It's a bit humid, I would say. I would not say that it's very good, the weather. It's humid, of course, but then it's not very harsh like it usually is in April. So I'm just outside. I came for taking a walk, because sitting all the time on your workstation and working etc., it has a very bad impact, not only on your mind and eyes but on your body as well. So once I take my lunch, I make sure I come out, take some walk, like for 15-20 minutes, not more. Obviously I cannot survive in this weather much more, and then, you know, I can always go back and start my work. And I've seen that potentially my output, it improves, because, you know, I take a good break, a healthy break. I come out, I speak to my family, I speak to my friends on phone if required, do some pending work, do some tasbih. So, you know, it's like it puts your mind into a positive state. So not always and all the time you have time to come out and have these kind of walks during the work day, but the work would always remain the same. It would always be there. The deadlines would always be there. The meetings would always be there. But what I have learned specifically in the past couple of months is that your health is the one thing that matters the most. So for that matter, you need to just you know, focus on that, come out, have healthy thoughts, and think about good things. And do you see the tram over there, the metro over here? So this is the Dubai metro that's going along, and you know, this is the tram. Let me zoom it for you guys. So yeah, it's also going from here, and then it will turn from the Dubai Marina side. So like it's the marina, but then it will turn post this Dubai Marina Mall. So coming to the same point, I would not take much of your time, but I just wanted to show you how good weather impacts us, the Dubai expats. I just wanted to show you that this weather has an amazing impact on us for sure. And do take breaks for calming your mind, for coming out of the same silos thinking that you have by sitting on the same thing throughout the day. Take breaks, be healthy, be positive. Health should be our first priority. Everything else, it just can be attained and it falls in place at one time or the other. So health is the biggest wealth, that's for sure. So I'll catch up with you guys now with the rest of the day, because I have some plans for the evening as well. So stay tuned you guys, and make sure to see my video till the very end, because there's some interesting stuff coming for you guys. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll catch up with you in a few hours time. So guys, this is what I wanted to capture and show it to you guys, how the sky looked when the storm was about to start. The clouds were so intense and dark, and you could just view them in such a proper way from here as well. It is the day before the storm, like the evening the storm started. And now this is the clip where the storm was actually happening, and we were not able to see anything. It was raining so badly, nothing was visible on the other side, and the roads were madly and badly flooded because of what all was happening. But thankfully this was the third spell within the storm. It calmed down after a while. So guys, this is called good governance. The roads have been made really dirty with mud all around, but this cleaner has been going around since the rain has ended, and it's cleaning the roads. Especially first there was a one which was draining the water, that's been done, and now it's cleaning the rest of the roads. So it's like you could see this road, this was also very dirty and muddy, but so far they have cleaned this part of the road. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, that this is called good governance. Now it's turning on the other side, which is one of the bleeding roads as well. And we are just close to Sheikh Zayed, that's why it's like the alternate route of traffic could be this one as well. So do you see the amount of effort that the government puts in over here to make things easy for the people, for the communities? It's commendable. Even if it was a very, very big and worst storm in the history of UAE, but then how they have dealt with it is such an amazing thing that we haven't seen anywhere else. So I just wanted to make a clip of this and show it to you guys, that this is how good governance leads to the being successful of certain nations. And now you can see the clouds are almost gone, and it was predicted to rain as well, but oh, you could see the pin right now, it's all covered in the clouds. So the pin of Burj Khalifa. So it's like today, it's for most of the people it's work from home, but for some of them who could not avoid are just commuting to their work, going back and forth, doing their things. But overall it's a holiday. It's not a holiday, it's like a work from home all around in the UAE. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys with this detail and show you how amazing their government is. Really commendable. And you wouldn't see any water. Yesterday this speed breaker from which the car was passing, etc., this all area was filled with so much water. But today, do you see any water anywhere? Because overnight they just came and cleared everything. It's all clear. Amazing.